Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to see your CSV files and directly edit them inside your VS Code. For this you need to install one such extension right here. If you just write here edit CSV. CSV are very important files which are comma separated value files. So this is the extension which comes right here. It's used by almost 2 million developers and it basically has a table like user interface. So you just need to click the install button. By default, if I open the CSV file, this is my users.csv. By default, it appears like this, very vanilla like. It doesn't highlight the major things inside the CSV file. But if you activate this extension, it will actually come with a table like user interface. So simply click the install button and just install this extension. So after installing it, if you open the same file, so here after that you will see this button right here appearing, edit CSV. So this button will appear in the CSV file in the top right section of the screen. You simply need to click it and now this interface will change to this interface, and now you will be able to edit your data right in the itself this editor. You can add a row, you can add a column as well. You can see how easy it is to edit your CSV files. You can add a column, you can add a row as well like this. You have all these buttons right here which makes it easy. If you want to remove the column, you can remove it like this. If you want to remove this existing column which is there, you can simply remove it, and as you can see, and now you can even live preview as well by clicking the preview button, and it will show you the live preview. And you also have the reset button as well if you want to reset everything, so all your data will be resetted. So this is the thing. You can save all the changes and save it as a file here. So it's a complete editor for CSV files inside your VS Code, so you can trim out your data as well. So all these things are there. So definitely install this extension, and then on the right hand side a button will appear, and you can simply do this. So this will be the button here, edit CSV. Simply need to click that button and then you will be able to edit your file. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.